Let's learn how you can create AI generated profile picture on Canva. So you want to open your browser, go to canva.com website. This will be your homepage. You want to click on Dreamlab on side menu. On Dreamlab, this will be your prompt box where you will describe the image. So we want to make a profile picture, and we should now write down in this box something about profile picture as a prompt. So let's see. Make me Instagram profile picture. This is a simple command, and surely it won't be very precise, but anything is better than nothing. So let's just wait and see what will get up. So this will be some random woman. I am a let's see like this. So we have added a bit more details to our prompt. And as you can see here, this is some better profile that could be used as our profile picture. If you want to download it, just click on three dots and click on download image. And now, as you can see here, it will download to your files. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.